Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards first, guys. We have Hermit in reverse, King of Cups and Three of Cups in reverse. So Libras, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today you are holding back, maybe you don't want to reveal certain things. It may be a situation in your work, maybe you don't want to reveal what are your choices or your preferences to your colleagues or the people you work with, maybe your mentor, or maybe to other business. Maybe you don't want to reveal something because you are having some fear about the future or the outcome. So it may be a situation in your work or it may be something in your relationship. Maybe you don't want to reveal certain things to this person. Maybe you want to tell them something but you are holding yourself back because you are afraid whether this person will get hurt or they will leave you. But your fears are baseless, guys. Maybe only if you tell them what you need to tell them, you will know what their reaction will be. So instead of just being afraid of the outcome, you are not taking the first step in this connection, guys, in this love. And you are someone who is really talented and creative, maybe, and you are devoted to whatever you do. You have a lot of skills and talents, and you are someone who's really caring and loving. You protect the people in your life today, people in your situation, whoever they are. You help and support them and protect them. You are very responsible, loving and caring. And maybe in your work or even in your relationship, that is the reason people love you, feel really happy to be with you, love your company, because you are someone who's really caring and loving. And today, maybe, guys, you are in the verge of revealing certain things to this person and you are holding yourself back. And maybe for some reason, if you reveal those secrets also, I see that this person may not get offended. Maybe even if they get offended by the things you tell them, by the secrets you are holding, this person is going to understand you, guys, and they will see things in a different way from their own perspective, and you are going to feel happy that you have revealed these things to them, because even if you are facing some kind of misunderstandings today, this person knows the truth and they will come towards you once they understand the depth of your character. Maybe whatever it is, whether it is good or bad, you want to tell them the truth. So that may be the reason this person will come back. They will understand the depth of your love, guys, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and two crystals here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all today. It is Fairy Ointment, the Sight. So for those who chose this card, it just means that you are someone who is really sensitive. You are really special. Maybe for some of you, you have special intuitive skills and you know what that person feels truly. You can understand their emotions, and maybe in any situation you may have you may hint at the future of that circumstance or that person. So some kind of intuition, or you may have a positive insight into the future or whatever is supposed to unfold in your life or in that person's life. But you should be also very careful, guys, with this kind of sensitivity or skill. You should not be open about your gifts. You should be quiet. You should not tell each and everyone that you have your intuition working in the right way and you will be able to predict or you will be able to sense something when it is happening. So you need to understand that you cannot speak openly about these gifts. Maybe you can talk about it to the true friends you have, maybe someone you are really close, very close with, and you with whom you feel really reliable friendship, trustworthy friend. So to that person you can reveal about the gifts you have, but to others you should not be open and you should use discretion, guys. It is for your own welfare, and you should speak wisely. You should not reveal that you have such an insight or intuition guiding you or helping you, and you can speak what you feel or what you think only when people ask you your suggestions or guidance. Other than that, you should not come out voluntarily telling them how they should do or what they should do. So that is going to land you in some difficult situation, guys. So you just have to be quiet till then. So that is the guidance here. So maybe today you may have clarity regarding some situation. You may see that this is the right thing to do for someone, but until and unless that person asks you what should be their reaction or what should be their choice, you should not give them any guidance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card and the second crystal, guys. So let's see what is the card. It is Jade, and it is the Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the guidance is that in our situation today, so let it be in our work situation or in our personal life, in this relationship, so we need to be with people who always bring out the best in us, guys. So we need not be perfect. We are all not perfect, and we all make a lot of mistakes. So today, the affection you have towards the people in your life, can bring them close to you. And maybe sometimes some people, they just put us down. They keep saying that we are not good enough, or we don't have talents enough or skills enough. That may be true, but still, when you have someone speaking negatively to you, it is going to make you even more even less capable of achieving some things. So even if we don't have the skills and talents, when people appreciate us, when they encourage us, it is going to bring out the best in us, guys. So we need to be with the people who always encourage us and who helps us to bring out the best of our skills and talents and abilities outside. So we should be in the company of such people. So maybe in your situation, you really like someone, but this person may be criticizing you always, so judging you maybe. So you should try and avoid this person's company and be with people who appreciate your skills. Maybe your skills may be limited, or you may not have skills like them, but still, when they appreciate and encourage you, speak positively, it is going to have a positive impact on you, and it is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. And you should treasure these friends who bring out the best in us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.